It is April and spring is here. We have the sun out. We have double-digit positives. It's wonderful at the ranch today. This could not have come any sooner. It is fantastic out. With that said, if you haven't done so, subscribe, hit the like, smash that notification chime. Don't miss any of our videos. With that said, we're going to be doing a couple things around the farm. I don't want to give it away, so come along. You'll see. Well, we're going to head out to the back pasture, see what we have for calves, see what's going on back there. We're going to give some oats to the bulls and I guess all the cows there. So, yeah, haven't been back there yesterday. My dad did the chores, so going to go check out, see what we have. It's pretty funny. I've seen a lot of guys on their fields already. Obviously, mostly United States, American guys. But look where we're at. We just started the process. I think we got a little while yet before things spruce up. We've got some rain coming for next week, so that'll be nice to complement some nicer, warmer weather. So, see what transpires from all that. Time to swamp the machine. No, this shouldn't be bad. Deep, but not mucky, so no problem. Well, I do see one little nose licker over there laying down. It's definitely one calf. So, yeah, hopefully there's not a whole lot of them here. I want to try to get actually that calf into the middle portion. It sounds easy, but depending on the mother, it might be more of a challenge than it sounds. Holy. Here comes the whole horde of cows. Well, that was nice, right into my face. Big man. I don't like getting in front of the bulls, especially this time of year. Watch out, guys. Come on. Here, guys. Here. Here. We'll throw it into the feeder. Only clean spot right now. This is one of Dad's old school ones. Big steel ones. This is what took 2 of my grapple fingers. It's okay. They're gonna get a nice bale today. This is just some rough hay. They got some alfalfa yesterday on top. And I'll give them some oats. And then tonight they'll get a nice bale on top of here. So just trying to save hay where you can this year, especially at what it's going for now. Let's come up. Let's not startle the little guy. He hasn't seen me yet, so she or he looks like a girl to me. I'm gonna bet it's a girl. Now I want to find Mama and I want to tag her, so I can walk them in to the middle area tomorrow, hopefully. If I can find her. I was looking right at her, but I bet you it's this one. Yes, it is this one. Certain. Oh yeah, she calved. Udders look wrinkled up. Lots of milk this girl's got. Pretty sure this is her. This really sucks because one of the cows woke her up, so now this little calf's gonna jump up. I got some wrangling to do. I don't want to get trampled, so that kind of sucks. I should have got in there quicker. This little girl. It's alright. That's all. We're done. Looks good. Little girl. Nice little calf. Sure is a little wee thing. Looks healthy though. Perfect. Bully, what are you doing? Want some more oats? Is there not enough in there for you? I always bring the bulls oats on the pasture, so they recognize this Kawasaki as a oats wagon for them. So I pail feed them. They each get about, I usually take them half a pail of oats. It's 2 gallons or so in a pail, and I actually hold it so they're comfortable with me around them. I don't want them to be my pets, but I want them to trust me if I need to get them on a trailer or move them around. So we work with all our bulls like that. They get a little bit extra. You know, they are 50% of the herd. So you stop harassing the mule, please. Trust me, there's no oats in there. And here's the mommy. So yeah, she's one of our smaller cows. She's a fairly young girl. It's probably only her 3rd calf. But yeah, calf looks good. She's not too tame, I know that much. I'm gonna try to maybe push the calf towards the middle tomorrow. So I believe that represents roughly, I'd have to look at the books, but roughly give or take a couple, calf 74, which would mean there's about 13 cows left to calf. Majority of them will stay behind for the summer, keep this area grazed. Almost done. Yee-haw! Nothing on us. Nothing. This Kawasaki mule, it's a Kawasaki Mule Pro FXT. It's got the 2nd row of benches. This thing has been just awesome. We got close to 10,000 kilometers on it, and what a machine. I'm telling you, this thing is probably the most used piece of equipment on the farm next to our tractors. But any of you in the market for a side-by-side, I'd definitely consider these Kawasaki's. They really put out a good, solid machine, and they have a really an amazing warranty. They have a 36-month bumper-to-bumper warranty, and yeah, I've never had to argue with them on any warranty work, and they've done a couple things to the machines, nothing crazy, but yeah, definitely consider it. A little bit of heifer time. I really always like working with these heifers. I guess that's why I kept them, because I like them. There's a couple small girls, but good mothers. Go. Don't want them to eat any of that manure, but there. And where's your other bucket? Push somewhere. There you go. That's a big guy. That guy right here had bent front joints. took him about 4 or 5 days. They straightened out. Now he's growing like a stinkweed. Look at him. This is how we split our water up into, well, 3 different groups if we wanted. Sheep have their runway, heifers theirs. Man, these heifers got some noisy neighbors. Hey? Well, some more oats for these guys. This is part of the problem this year. We typically wouldn't have this many guys in here. We only have the 10 that we're going to carry over as replacements or so. Between, 8 and 12, maybe. We got 43. So you're feeding an extra 43 animals. According to my calculations early this year, I thought we were going to make it with hay. We thought we had enough hay, and I think we would have made it if we didn't have so many animals stuck in our little lot here. So I guess we're going to get rid of the smaller ones that are here, and I guess some of the younger ones, and keep the bigger, stronger heifers for replacements. I guess we'll grow the herd pretty quick this year, but not really by choice. Kind of forced into it. I don't think the government's going to come out with any kind of, incentives or programs. I doubt it, because they got enough on their platter with everything that's going on, like getting our economy back on track altogether. This is a part of the economy, but yeah, it's a guy to do. I saw a post, Facebook post today that was interesting. Somebody was saying, barbecue season coming, slaughter plants shut down. I'm going to start butchering my own animals, which is a great thought, but there's so many rules and regulations to that, selling farm gate sales, that scares a guy. So I don't know, like that could be an option, but you got to get a good butcher, and you have to do it within the rules and regulations set aside, which I don't know what they are. But this is something I'm contemplating, because, well, heck yeah, right? Our cattle, they're not certified organic. They eat all their own feed. The exception of this year, I bought some hay, but there was nothing used for production of the hay. I asked that already. And yeah, pretty close to organic without being certified. I don't know what would entail getting certified organic, but I'm sure it's a lengthy, complicated government process. But yeah, maybe a guy should start doing that, right? It's definitely a thought crossed my mind. How many of you would buy farm gate meat? Just say ABC Farms selling beef from a freezer. How many of you would buy? Maybe that's the way to go. Maybe that's the direction to take, rather than feeding the middleman all the money. The rancher farmer raises the animal, puts all the time and effort in, gets nothing at the end of the day. Interesting thought. Better let these guys in before they start protesting and riots occur. Here, guys. So a lot of these we had normally sold in the grasser market probably by now already. But there really is no grasser market out there, unfortunately. So these younger, smaller guys, normally you do almost as well on them as the bigger guys when you look at the consumption of feed opposed to what you're getting per pound and all that. But life isn't always rosy. But we'll get through it. It's like everyone else. We'll push through and hope for better things. Hello. What are you doing, you little oat goblin? Thank you for snorting in my face. You should have a face mask on if you're gonna be that close. Hey? Hi? No way, no face mask for you. You don't want that.
Like and subscribe, smash the thumbs up. Booyah!